Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this Olympiad Mathematics. Square root of x plus 2x is equal to 3 to the power of -1. And this is the same thing as square root of x plus 2x equal to 1 over 3. Okay, so from here, what do? Make square root of x the subject. So we have square root of x being equal to 1 over 3 minus 2x. Okay, so this is what we have. And from here, what can we do? We can equally find the LCM of the right? So we get square root of x to be equal to 3. Then we do this. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 1, we have 1, minus 3 divided by, in fact, multiply 3 by this, so we have 6x. Okay, so now we are going to square both sides. Let me leave one line in between. So we have square root of x, and I'm going to square this, which will be equal to 1 minus 6x over 3, and I'm going to square this as well. And why do I have to square? Because I needed to remove this square root. Okay, so now we have x to be equal to 1 minus 6x over 3 multiply by 1 minus 6x over 3. Now the next thing I would do is to open the brackets. So I'll be having x to be equal to 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times minus 6x, minus 6x, minus 6x times 1 is minus 6x, then minus 6x times minus 6x will give us plus 36x squared. And then the whole of this on the right will be over 9, that is 3 times 3. And you will quickly cross multiply so that 9x should be equal to 1. 6x minus 6x minus 6x will give us minus 12x. I think that is okay. Then we have plus 36x to the power of 2. Now we're going to arrange this in a better way. So we have 36x squared minus 12x. Then this becomes minus 9x because it's coming to meet with the others. Then I have plus 1 being equal to 0. Okay, so we have 36x squared minus, if you put these two together, you're going to have minus 21x, then plus 1 is equal to 0. And from here, we have a quadratic equation to deal with. So we will think of the method to apply. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so let's use the formula method for this. Our A is 36. Our B is equal to minus 21. And our C is equal to plus 1. The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus, we have square root of b squared minus 4ac, and the whole of this is over 2 times a. Now put this back into the problem so that we have x to be equal to minus b becomes plus 21, because we're having minus 21 here, then plus or minus, we have b squared, which will be minus 21, and then we square this, then we are going to have minus 4 times a. Our a is 36, then times c, which is 1. The whole of this is over 2 times 36, because a is 36, right? Okay, so to continue, okay, so from here x will be equal to 21 plus or minus square root of minus 21 squared will give 441, then minus 4 times 36 times 1 will give 144, and then this is over 2 times 36, that will give us 2 times 6 is 12, then this is giving us 72. Okay, now let's continue, so that x will be equal to 21 plus or minus, we have 441 minus 144, this will give us 297, and the whole of this will be over 72, right? Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is not a perfect square, and we can have our answer in decimal. So let's go. We have x to be equal to 21 plus or minus square root of 297 is 17.2 approximately, and this will be over 72, right? Now to continue with this, we will be having x to be equal to 21 plus 17.2 over 72, or 21 minus 17.2 over 72. Now let's continue. Okay, so from here 21 plus 17.2 will give us 38.2, that will be over 72, or 21 minus 17.2 will give us 3.8, and that will be over 72. Now let's divide what we have here and we'll get our value. Okay, so these are the values of x that we're having. We are having x to be equal to 0.53 or 0.053. But then the both of them may not be able to satisfy this equation, which is square root of x plus 2x equal to 3 to the power of -1. Now let's put these two values and see the one that is satisfying. So we're going to have